artists, today we're going to fold, draw, and cut some shapes for our shape robot. So, to begin, let me show you how to cut out one big shape. You take your paper and you're going to fold it over so that those corners are touching, and then you're going to give it a crease. Some kids call this the hamburger bun way. So take it so that it's standing up vertically, and then match up those corners and crease it. Now we're going to draw half of a shape. So to draw half of an oval shape, like this big white oval, I'm going to draw a big stretched out rainbow. Now a lot of my friends just draw like this and they don't end up using very much of this paper. We want to use almost the whole thing. So I'm starting here way on the edge and I'm stretching my rainbow really, really high all the way up to the top of the paper, and then I'm going to bring it down. So if you try first and it's too small, try again. Now I get to take my scissors, put my thumb in the little hole, fingers in the big hole, and I'm going to keep this shut, keep it folded, keep it shut while I cut. So I'm going to go nice and slow and cut on that line that I just drew for myself. Nice and slow, no rush. So this rainbow shape is just half of my oval, right? So now when I open this up, I've got this great big oval that I can use for my shape robot. Now I'll show you the second thing that you can do is cut two shapes at once. So you take your paper, this is a square. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to fold these corners up so that they touch, and then I'm going to crease it. Now I'm going to draw a whole shape instead of half of a shape. I think I'm going to draw two big triangles. There we go. And now I can cut on these lines that I made for myself. Look at that, so many shapes. So if your shapes are together and you want them to be apart, you can always just cut down that middle line. Or you can leave it the way it is, that's fine. That's a shape too. And see if you can use these scraps. Look at all of these scraps are triangles too, so I could use a lot of these scraps right here on my shape robot. So fold your paper in half before you draw your shape, and remember to draw your shape really, really big. Have fun!